great thing about fillers is that you can take somebody's face that's kind of has a flat cheekbone area, or that the area is sort of sunken, and you can recreate the entire complex here. You can make them actually look about 10 years younger with simple filling of this area. I always like to undercorrect because I always put more in. But the nice thing about Juvederm and Restylane and all the hyaluronic acids is that you can dissolve it. You don't like it. So I'm going to go on the light side with you. The fun thing about fillers is, you know, once you have the eye, which fortunately for me, I have a really good eye. And the reason I do, I think, is because I studied art for about 15 years. I started doing art when I was 5. I mean, that's the beauty of it. It's like you're an artist. When you take that patient, you look at them, you go, what do they need? What is changed? What did they look like 10 years ago? The Botox in the neck, what I'm going to have you do to do the Botox for these bands, I'm going to have you go like this. Perfect. So I can really just grab these little bands, and we're just going to go right in the muscle. We're just trying to relax that muscle. One side is bigger than the other. Your left side, yeah. I tell patients, I show them a before, I show them an after, and they can't believe it. Someone goes from looking really stern to really bright and happy, no frown, no scowl. And it can be done in 3 treatments, and it's amazing what that will do to someone's confidence, the way they feel, the way they look. Okay, here we go, a little bit of a pinch here, okay? A little bit of a pinch, just gonna put a little bit of this in here. There we go, and then I'm gonna have you ice, that's good. So, you have really pretty lips, we've talked about this before.
Thank you.
You don't need that much, which is great. Just need a little bit. I'm gonna work on the Cupid's bow right here, that little middle part. You know, it's a little bit of an owie right there in the middle. But it kind of makes that really pretty, like gives you like that nice V there. Your lips look great.
I never have to do that.
Okay,
again.
so
Awesome.
this is right after silicone, and I put more in the front. On the upper, I really worked on this Cupid's bow right here, that V. And I put some in here and here, so it's like kind of like, just gives you, and you're a little swollen now, it's actually going to go down a little bit, because I don't want it to be too much. I really like more of a subtle, natural look. You're just going to look like your face is in balance, and you know, when you have slightly larger lips and they're not thin, it actually makes you look younger. And it's tremendously gratifying to me to take somebody like that, give them fullness, give them vitality, and that's what patients tell me too. Like they just feel like, wow, I walk into a room and I'm more confident. I don't feel like, oh, my hair looks terrible. They feel like they have something, that they've done something that just kind of uplifts them and gives them like a little spring in their step, you know, because they feel better. So that's very gratifying. I really, really enjoy that.